Hello and good day to everyone. In today's video, I'm just going to be giving you a simple example of how you can make up a trading strategy for yourself and maybe adjust it for the near future of depending on how you like to trade or how you develop your trading. Before we do that, MEXC, our sponsor for today's video, on their website, it's rating you $525 to spend on. Go there, check them out. It's all free money. FTMO, our affiliates. Do you want to trade with other people's money? Do you want to keep the profits for yourselves? Go there, prove to them that you're a real trader and you have the skill to trade. They can give you up to 200k of other people's money to trade with, and you can keep the earnings as long as you can prove that to them. Okay, so you just can't hop in and start trading. I mean, you can, but you shouldn't. Why? Because you'll be better off just throwing off money betting with different teams. You need to have a strategy, you need to have a plan, and you need to have a basic understanding of what you're doing. So my advice to you before heading into this and creating a strategy through indicators is get some basic knowledge first. Go watch some videos on technical analysis, understand what, of course, a candlestick is, see which ones you prefer, and then develop your strategy. Of course, it's not necessary to use any indicators. You can just go by trading with candlesticks and what the various difference mean to you and following patterns, but it will be quite easier using different indicators. And usually, you don't want to overstack too many indicators. You want a base that is clear, easy to read, fast to digest, so you can move from one trade to another. So for beginners, I would suggest the following. Since probably you'll be using Tradingview in the free version, get yourself an EMA indicator, moving average exponential. I've covered in previous videos what exactly it does. I like to trade most in 4 hours or 5 minutes. Let's fix this like so. I'll just quickly edit it. There it is. So the email will help you define if there's a downtrend incoming or an uptrend, if it might continue, if it might level out. If the candlesticks are below the line, probability is the price will be going down. If it's above, the opposite. You know how it works. Okay. Oops. So maybe a stop loss from ATR. Let's see. What about this one? No, I don't like this one. So it's basically mostly picking and choosing what you want and how you want it. So this ATR is good, but not so good for beginners. I think this way. Oh, there we go. With the stop loss, I can easily plan where and how much to bet. Like, for example, let's say I want to short this. I grab my short position. EMA is on par. Okay. I see from this candlestick that there was a high push for the price going lower, but it ended up closing not so. So this is a good indication that there may be also a reversal in trend. So I'd get a target of 1.5 at least, or even 2. 2 to 1 is still good. Not for beginners now, but beginners. And I can short here, but why only use these? You can also use a RSI indicator. So this is just a really quick example how you can combine. So you have your EMA, you have your stop loss, you have your RSI indicator. Combining with both, you can create a very simple trading strategy. Follow the line, compare it with the RSI. Let's see, in the middle, RSI is going above. Probably will drop. Yes. Look how much it peaked, but look at how much it ended. Red. Yeah, probably a downtrend from here on out. Bet here, 1.5 to 1. Boom. Easy win. Continue on. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Of course, you can bet on all of this. It's not necessary for the RSI always to go above 70 to be sure. But just an example. You can even switch the RSI with the STC indicator. And you should, to be honest. You can use both. And use this one instead. Anyway, developing your strategy depends mainly on you. How you like to trade, where your trading is at, and what are you mostly willing to lose, to be honest. Anyways, remember, this isn't any trading advice. This is just a random person on the internet talking about trading strategies. Hope this helped. See you next time.